Video of a cool new little micro I got. This is Avionrc, or previously called Avant Quads, I believe. This is the Nexa 2.5 and Nexa Evo 2.5. It runs a 2.5 inch prop. These are the Gen Fan props, the tri-blades that come with it. Packaged up really nice. It looks like it's already got my ELRS with the regular antenna installed. You can see it back there. I'll take the bag off in a bit. And it already comes pre-installed with a Walksnail 1S system with the circular polarized antenna on it, so that'll be great. And then of course it got a programming cable for the Walksnail, the extra parts from the camera. You can see those there. And then looks like it's got my Betaflight information, some extra screws. So I'm going to be going through this and my setup, and then I'll post some flight videos at some point as well. Take care. All right, the Nexa Evo 2.5 has been depackaged. I've got the blades on it, or the props on it rather. And it's got it all configured in Betaflight for my RadioMaster boxer. And the Walksnail system has been upgraded to the latest firmware to go with my Goggles X. Everything looked great. I did range tests. It all looked good. And I've got some maiden flight footage. It was pretty windy, probably 10 miles per hour with gusts well over that. This little thing handled it like a champ, and I was even flying in angle mode, which surprised the hell out of me because that Pavo Pico in angle mode in any kind of wind, it is a sloppy mess. As a size comparison, you can kind of see what they look like here. As you can see, it's very similar in size, footprint-wise, except this thing is a huge difference in how well it flies. Another size comparison, the Flywoo Explorer 4-inch. So you can see the difference in size there. So I'm going to do some flight footage next.